Happy Friday! Here we are. We made it to Friday, and I am here to explain your work for today. Let's see. If you haven't already done so, because I know some of you like to do them all at once, which is totally fine. Today's seesaw assignment is called Glow Words. Uh, Really neat. You can go in and use your finger or your mouse and write words, and they show up in cool glow pens and stuff. So you pick your own colors. But what I would like you to do is use your purple words this week and try to squeeze as many purple words as you can into that glow word box, and then of course record yourself reading them so you're practicing them. So that's a fun little activity. Of course, I want you to go on to Raz Kids. I hope it's working out good for you. Please, if it's not, let me know so I can help you get in there. And then, let's see. Let's get out our math book for today. We are working on the green side of page 10. We are making number stories, which we've done before, but today we're going to work on joining numbers and then take away number stories. So joining number stories and take away number stories. And I think that after you read my examples, you will see the difference of joining number stories and take away. Actually, I think I'm going to just read to you my joining number story first. I wrote, a mother hen laid 3 eggs one day and laid 4 eggs the next day. How many eggs does she have altogether? Well, to figure that out, we're going to have to join the number of eggs together. I wonder if that is a subtraction problem or an adding problem. If we want to join numbers together. See if you can think about that for a second, and I will show you. Let's see, I'm going to move this back. And I wrote all the words out in mine. I hope you can see it. It is an addition problem. We are joining the number of eggs together, and I even drew a little nest with 3 eggs and a little nest with 4 eggs, and I wrote my number model, my number sentence right here. 3 eggs plus 4 eggs equals 7 eggs. That's how many eggs she had. We joined those numbers together. And then the bottom would be a takeaway problem. And if we all remember, the opposite of adding is subtracting. So here's my takeaway problem for today. I said a mother hen had 7 eggs. 5 of them hatched. And then, of course, I drew a little picture to help me out. I started out with all 7 eggs. And then, I cracked all 5 because they're hatched. And then I also crossed them out to show that I'm taking them away. We don't need those anymore. How many does she have left? Well, she had 2 eggs that did not hatch. That is a subtraction problem, a takeaway number story. So I can't wait to see your joining number stories and your takeaway number stories. Come up with your own. I just want to give you an example. And let's see, moving on for the day. Like I said, working through that ABC book. Let's get it done. Today's letter is the letter J. A jaguar lives in the jungle. And I noticed this morning when I opened up my cute little jaguar is missing his ears. I hope you can see. I had to draw mine in there. I got to go find some orange paper, but obviously you need the letter J. You can use the dot of the J for his head. Make his cute little face. I took some yellow scraps and gave him some of those cool prints that jaguars have, made him a tail, and I would even use your scraps for your tail for those ears, and you will have a jaguar that lives in the jungle. And of course, after it's dry, I still want you to go through and practice reading this book. There are some great sentences, some hard words, some easy words, some hard words. It's wonderful. I want you to go in your handwriting book and work on your very best letter J, uppercase and lowercase J's. And then today is Family Friday, and I hope you guys really are helping around the house. Find something that you can help your family out. Laundry, dishes, clean your room.